Breaking news, Cathie Wood's ARK Invest, together with 21 shares, just filed the first ever spot Ethereum ETF. This is a big deal. If you follow us on Twitter, you heard it here first. If and when this is approved, I think Ethereum could get to $50,000 per coin this cycle. Stick with me. I'm going to explain everything in this video. Make sure you bookmark this video for future reference. Everything you need to know about the spot Ethereum ETF will be in this video. Give it a like and let me clue you in. Remember, just like a spot Bitcoin ETF, this will mean incredible demand for Ethereum. Specifically, this is what you need to know. An Ethereum ETF means accessibility, means a gateway for traditional investors without the need to buy, manage, or store crypto directly. It means regulation. ETFs are typically regulated, giving investors a higher level of security as well as confidence. It means diversification. Ethereum could potentially offer further ways to diversify your portfolio without the need to hold multiple cryptocurrencies individually. It means transparency. All ETFs are required to disclose their holdings on a regular basis, ensuring transparency to investors. It means low barrier to entry. ETFs often have lower minimum investment requirements, making it easier for retail investors to participate. This means risk mitigation. ETFs will often employ risk management strategies such as insurance in order to mitigate any theft or loss of crypto. The reason that this is really interesting, and the reason I think a lot of people are engaging with this tweet and this news, is because this comes on the back of Fidelity releasing an 18-page report, very recent, August 2023, titled Ethereum Investment Thesis, Ethereum's Potential as Digital Money and a Yield-Bearing Asset. You should really take 5 minutes and really read their investment thesis on Ethereum. Seriously, I was impressed. I think Fidelity might even watch our channel, Altcoin Daily, or channels like us, because this is stuff we talk about all the time. In this report, Fidelity details how Ethereum is an aspiring money, how Ethereum is a store of value, how Ethereum is a yield-bearing asset. And remember, Fidelity is the third largest asset firm on the planet, with $4 trillion in assets under management. First BlackRock with Bitcoin, now Fidelity with Ethereum, and Cathie Wood's with a spot Ethereum ETF. By the way, BlackRock will surely do this too. I'm really bullish on Ethereum, and I would just say buy Ethereum before Fidelity, before BlackRock, before ARK Invest launches this spot Ethereum ETF. Personally, I don't think a spot Ethereum ETF will get launched until after a spot Bitcoin ETF, but Bitcoin's paving the way. We're standing on the shoulders of giants with stuff like this. As in, it took years for a spot Bitcoin ETF. It's probably only going to take months after a spot Bitcoin ETF gets approved for a spot Ethereum ETF. So, you should read all 18 pages of Fidelity's report, but let me share with you their conclusion. There is virtually no doubt that Ethereum is a leading blockchain technology platform that enables developers to build decentralized apps, many of which are capable of things that could not be done on Bitcoin's network due to Ethereum's superior programmability. This has led some of the largest and most active applications in the digital asset ecosystem to be built on Ethereum, and the Ether token continues to hold the second largest market cap position behind only Bitcoin for years. However, the question investors are asking is this: does this increased developer and application activity translate to value for the Ether token? What did Fidelity conclude? We have shown in both theory and data thus far, increased activity on Ethereum's network drives demand for block space, which in turn generates cash flow that can accrue to token holders. What is also evident, though, is that these various drivers are complex, nuanced, and have changed over time with various protocol upgrades and the emergence of scaling developments like Layer 2s, and may change again in the future. You better believe that all the same people interested in launching and buying into a Bitcoin spot ETF are interested in launching and buying into a spot Ethereum ETF. By the way, make sure you subscribe to our channel. Daily videos just like this, keeping you informed on the entire cryptocurrency market. If you're interested in making money in cryptocurrency, subscribe to our channel, daily videos. I am incredibly bullish on Ethereum going into this next cycle. Are you? Let me know in the comments. What else am I expecting for Ethereum? Quite a few things. Number one, regulators will declare Ethereum a commodity. They'll give it regulatory clarity. Remember, even Gary Gensler, the current chair of the SEC, used to say that Ethereum had regulatory clarity. This is when he taught at MIT. This is before he took office. This is before they got to him.
Over 70% of the crypto market is Bitcoin, Ether, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash. Why did I name those four? They're not securities.
What else am I expecting with Ethereum? Number two, buy Ethereum before Apple launches their layer 2. This is just speculation. We know Tim Cook is into Ethereum.
Do you own crypto, any Bitcoin or Ethereum? Would you play around with this?
I do, yeah. I think it's reasonable to own it as a part of a diversified portfolio. And I'm not giving anybody investment advice, by the way.
When did you get interested in it?
I've been interested in it for a while. And I've been researching it and so forth. And so I think it's interesting.
Or maybe Apple will just buy Ethereum directly. What do you think? And then number three, Ethereum will continue to upgrade and get bigger and better, just like founder Vitalik details here.
2023 is going to be the year when rollups really come to maturity. We have 4844 that gives rollups more space. And we have the trading wheels on rollups like really get weakened a lot. That kind of gets us to like most of sharding being finished and then rollups going fully trustless, and then there's full dank sharding. For me personally, I think after the changes, that would be the first points where I would feel comfortable saying, even if nothing else happened past that point, I would be happy with Ethereum. If we need to, we can stop there. We're not going to stop there, right? And we want to kind of like go ahead and try to actually make sure that the Ethereum ecosystem can support 500 million users before the bull where 500 million users are knocking on the door actually ends up happening. That's probably the next part of the future, the transition from Ethereum as this kind of very theoretical ecosystem that's still discovering and finding itself to Ethereum as an ecosystem that actually is, tries to be useful and usable and, secure and all of those things and like actually provide value for hundreds of millions of people.
Hey, join us at Bitcoin Amsterdam, October 12th and 13th. This is an epic Bitcoin conference. Use code AltcoinDaily, 10% off tickets. Get this ticket or get this ticket. Ticket prices increase as we get closer to the event. So many awesome speakers are being added every single day. Use code AltcoinDaily for 10% off. Hope to see you there. If history rhymes, we are entering a colossal bull market. Bitcoin market cycle patterns. Take a look at previous market cycles. Notice two patterns. Number one, both of the previous bull markets took exactly 1,071 days to unfold bottom to top. Number two, both of the previous bull markets topped out at 2.272 Fibonacci extensions. If these patterns repeat, we will top out somewhere in October 2025. What's the target? This is the target. Bitcoin tops out October 2025 with the price per Bitcoin edging on $1 million per coin. If this is the case, what would the price of one Ethereum be? If Bitcoin hits $1 million, it's likely that Ethereum will break $50,000 per coin, says analyst Elio Trades. The 0.06 to 0.08 Bitcoin range that Ethereum has been in for multiple years would imply an Ethereum price of $60,000 to $80,000 per coin. So $50,000 per Ethereum is a bit conservative, judging on history. Hey, call me nuts in the comments below. This is all just multiplication. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. We keep you updated on the entire cryptocurrency market. See you tomorrow.